Hello students, this is class 4 junior maths, page number 15 and chapter 3. The topic is place value. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to understand some basic concept of this chapter, of this point. Okay, so the first sentence is, do you know that the position of a digit in number gives it a place value? Okay, I will show you it by example, and let us put the digit in this number in a place value chart. We have to put these numbers in place value chart on correct places. So this is your place value chart, and this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and this is 10 crore. So we will start arranging these numbers by left to right. Okay, so what is on the left side? This is 9, and we will put this number on ones place. Okay, and after that, see this example also. And what is on the first place? Means ones place. This is 1, and the second place, this is 7. This is place value of 7 is 70, and there's ones place, hundreds place, this is 1000, this is 10,000, and this how you have arranged these numbers in place value chart. Okay, again we will see the number in expanded form and some more by some more methods. This is one more method. You can write these numbers like 3 crore, because 3 is on crores place, so we will write this number in like 3 crore in words, and 10 lakhs, because 4 is on the 10 lakh places. Okay, so it will be 10 lakh. Okay, and 8 lakh means 8 is on the lakh place, so we will write this 8 lakh, and 10,000, this is 1000, and this is 10,000, so we will write 10,000. 2 is on thousands place, then 6 is on hundreds, 7 is on 7 tens, and 9 is on 9 ones. So again we will write this number in expanded form like this. We will count and put the zeros to write it in expanded form. So this is 3 crore. This is how we write 3 crore. This is 30 crore. This is this is 3 crore. This is 40 lakh. This is 88 lakh. This is 50,000. This is 2,000. This is 670, and this is 9. Okay, now let's check the place values of number in the places that is already given in this example. Okay, so 9 is on the ones place, so the place value of 9 is 9. Okay, again 7 is on the tens place, so the place value of 7 is 70. Okay, 6 is 600, 2 is on thousands place, so the place value of 2 will be 2000. Again this is 5, and 5 is on the 10,000s place, so the place value of 5 will be 50,000. This is 8 lakh, this is 40 lakh, this is 3 crore. So this is the value of these numbers on their places. Okay, again let's compare and arrange these numbers. Okay, comparing and arranging. To compare numbers, compare digit left to right in this direction. Okay, you have to move or compare number in this direction. Left, this is left, and this is right. Okay, okay, and if the digit at a place are equal, then compare the digit at next place. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे लेफ़्ट साइड का नंबर, एंड अगर वो दोनों नंबर इक्वल होंगे तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग दूसरे नंबर को कंपेयर करेंगे. सो 10,000 प्लेस पे क्या है 4, एंड यहाँ भी क्या है 4 ही है. देन दिस बोथ नंबर्स आर इक्वल. ओके, वी विल कंपेयर दिस नंबर ऑन thousands place, so it is 10 this is 9 and this is also 9, when this is also equal, and this is 0 and this is also 0, so this is also equal. This is 5 and this is 4. So which one is greater? Obvious 5 is greater, so the whole number will be greater. So we can put this symbol like this. Okay, again we will see this by example. In this example, this is the number, okay, and we will compare the numbers from left to right, means from this direction. Okay, this is leftmost number, that is 8, and this is also 8. So it is on the leg place, then the leg places value is place values are equal, and this is 10,000 are also equal, 1,000 are also equal, hundreds are different. Okay, so which one is greater? Obvious 9 is greater, so the whole number will be greater. Okay, again check this next method, to arrange in ascending order from smallest to largest. स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट को सबसे पहले लिखना है, उसके बाद हम लोग आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. ओके, सो हाउ यू विल फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? अगेन यू विल कंपेयर दिस नंबर्स इन दिस फॉर्मेट ओनली. ये जो आपने कंपेयर किया यहाँ जैसे, वैसे ही इन सारे नंबर्स को भी कंपेयर करेंगे, एंड whatever and whichever is the smallest one, we will write it in the firstmost place. Okay, so let's read this number with lesser numbers with lesser digit are smaller. Okay, I'm showing you it by example, and that is, suppose this is 3, 2, 9 and this is 4. Okay, and one more number in this side, and that is 9, 2, 3. So this is how many digits are in this number? 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3-digit number. Okay, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 4-digit number. Then this statement says that the number with lesser digit are smaller. When this number have lesser digit in compare of this number, so which one will be smaller? Then this one will be smaller, because obvious this is 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. Okay, so we will put this. Okay, again the second concept is second statement is, the numbers with more digits are larger. Again the same method, the same things I have explained you previously, that if there is any 4-digit number and there is only 3-digit number, then the obvious 4-digit number will be greater and larger. Okay, and the third statement is, for numbers with equal digit, compare the digit left to right. Okay, so in this statement, that is saying that it is saying that for numbers with equal digits के नंबर को या फिर जो भी नंबर है हम लोगों को कैसे कंपेयर करना है? लेफ़्ट टू राइट. सबसे पहले लेफ़्ट वाले को कंपेयर करेंगे, देन राइट वाले को कंपेयर करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक दिस इन दिस एग्जांपल. So this is 25,683. This is 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit number, this is also, but this is 5, this is 5, and this is 6-digit number, this is 3-digit number, this is 7-digit number, and this is 4-digit number. So you can easily find that which one will be greater, because the lesser digit will be the lesser number. Okay, so this is 3-digit number, so you will put this number in the first place. Okay, so this, and again 4-digit number, this is the 4-digit number, so put it in this place. Okay, again we will compare the 5-digit number. Okay, so how you will compare? Left to right. So the leftmost number is 2 and here it is 6, then which one is greater? 2 or 6? Obvious 6 is greater, so this number is greater, so we will put this number is greater and this is smaller, so we will write the smaller number first. Okay, and after that again we will write the 5 digit number. Again after that 6 digit number, we will place the 6 digit number, and after that 7 digit number. Okay, जितने कम डिजिट का नंबर होता है वो नंबर उतना कम होता है, और अगर कोई नंबर ज़्यादा डिजिट का है तो वो बड़ा होता है. ओके, इन कंपेयर ऑफ lesser smaller numbers, smaller digit number. Okay, so again in descending order, so you will do the same method, but you have to do the you have to change one thing, that largest to smallest. मतलब largest को पहले लिखना है और smallest को बाद में. सबसे पहले हम लोग ढूंढेंगे सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर. So let's count that this is 2 digit number, this is 4 digit number. You can count 1 2 3 and 4. So it is 4 digit number. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is 7 digit number. This is 6 digit number, this is 3 digit number, and this is 5 digit number. Then obvious the 7 digit number is the biggest number, the largest number. So we will place it on the first place on this. Okay, again after that 6 के बाद कौन बड़ा होता है, 7 के बाद कौन बड़ा होता है, 6. So we will place this number on the second place. Okay, after that 6 के बाद 5 digit number, and after that 4 digit number, then 3 digit number, and then the last will be 2 digit number. Okay, आप इस तरह से नंबर्स को कंपेयर करके असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर सकते हो. लेट्स सी सम मोर रूल्स, that making the smallest number and greatest number with the given digit. Okay, अब क्या करना है, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर या ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर को बनाना है गिवन डिजिट से. सो लेट्स चेक हाउ मेकिंग द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विथ गिवन डिजिट्स. पहले हम लोग सीखेंगे क्या, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाना. जो भी हमें डिजिट्स मिलेंगे उससे हम लोग सबसे बड़ा नंबर कैसे बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विल हैव द मोस्ट करोर्स, लाख, थाउजेंड, हंड्रेड्स एंड सो ऑन. ओके, तो बिगेस्ट नंबर और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर के लिए हम लोग का क्या चाहिए, करोड़ में नंबर होना चाहिए वो. ओके, एंड द रेस्ट पीरियड्स. ओके, सो राइट द गिवन नंबर, given digit in descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Okay, bigger to smaller. Descending order में अगर suppose this is the example that digit these are the digits and you have to create the largest number from this greatest number from this digit. So how you will write this, how you will form this, you can write this number in descending. If you will write this number in descending order, then obviously this number will be the largest number from the given digit. Okay, so this is 9 and 9 is the largest number in all given digits, so we will put it in the first place. Again after that 8, then 7, and one more thing you have to see that अगर दो नंबर्स इक्वल हैं, सपोज दिस इज 7 एंड इफ़ एनी डिजिट्स आर इक्वल कीप देम टुगेदर. अगर दो डिजिट्स इक्वल हैं तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है, उन दोनों डिजिट को कंसेक्यूटिवली लिखना है. ओके ओके, देन 7, देन 7, अगेन 7 एंड 7. ओके, एंड 7 के बाद क्या होगा, 6, देन 5 एंड देन 0. Okay, so this is the greatest number from the given number. And one more example, this is the example. You have to find the greatest digit in the digit in the given number, given digits. So this is the greatest, then 8, then 7, 6, 5. You have to arrange this number in descending order. To create any greatest number from given digits, you have to arrange that number in descending order. Okay, again दस इसके अपोजिट एक मेथड ये रहेगा, मेकिंग ए स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर विद गिवन डिजिट। आपको इसका जस्ट उल्टा करना होगा। राइट द डिजिट्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब कि छोटे से बड़ा को, अगर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है हम लोग गिवन डिजिट से तो छोटे से बड़ा करना होगा। ओके एंड यू कैनॉट स्टार्ट नंबर्स विद ज़ीरो। एंड वन मोर थिंग you have to keep in mind while creating the smallest number, you can't write 0 on the first place. Okay, if there are zeros in the given digits, so don't keep them in the first place. Okay, you can keep them in second, third, like this. Okay, so given digits are this, so find the smallest one. This is 3 is the smallest number, so put it in on the first place, and after that 4, 5 and the 8 and 8 is both are equal, so we will put them together. Okay, again the given digits are this, and see that there are two digits, so the 0 is the smallest, but we will not start this number by 0. We will find other smallest number. So after 0 there is 2, then we will place this 2 on the first place, and after that 2 के बाद जो भी डिजिट है 0 हम लोग उसे प्लेस करेंगे, और उसके बाद 3 प्लेस करेंगे, बिकॉज 3 इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर आफ्टर 2 and 0, and after that 5, then 6 and then 9. So this is the some rules for starting our exercise 3b. Thank you so much.